Hey everyone, I know I had done an video earlier and talked about taking the winter time to do some upgrades to your bike if you want to. I did a few things this winter. We had a lot of snow here in southeastern PA. We had snow on the ground for like 6 weeks, but anyway, I took the time to do a few things to the bike. So, big shout out to Metric and Rhino at Brotherhood Garage. They're in the Lidditz area. They did a bunch of work on it. Martin's powder coating. I had all of this powder coated. I had gotten the forks powder coated. Cam cover, transmission cover, starter cover, and I also added S&S 585 cams. Rhino and Metric did that for me. They also did the exhaust, DND 2-in-1 exhaust. I have the DND FatCat with perforated baffle. Martin's did the powder coating. I think I already said that. And this is a vinyl wrap, and it's to match the horn cover. And here's the horn cover and the derby cover. Huge shout out to James for doing that. That Bulldog Hydrographics, I think it's called, but I'll put it in the comments. Mention all that with Brotherhood Garage and James and all of them. So, but anyway, hopefully you were able to do some stuff to your bike this winter. Well, it was a little messy out to ride. Let's get ready for a great season. It's coming up. So, a lot happening. April 3rd's a big ride. We already did one January. First week of January we had one. But I'm excited about the season. I'm going to fire it up so you get a chance to hear it. This brother's, or the D&D 2-in-1 FatCat, man, it cracks. Pretty much renders the horn useless. You can't hear the horn, but hey, I'll just crank the truck. The horn, you don't need it anyway. So, hey, hopefully we'll see you out and about this summer. Come out for some of the rides. Catch up with you later. Over and out.